simple, but are easy to learn, but hard to master. Okay, and what I mean by that is moves that are hard to master, like the one-step coffee grinder sweep. Everyone, or mostly everybody, when they learn how to break, learn how to do that, right? But if you just practice that one move by itself, then it's only gonna go that far. But if you reverse that move, so here, see, now you have two moves, all right? You have front and back, and with that same move, you can go on the opposite leg. So you're on your weak side, as I say. Cool. So you got 4 motions in there already from one move. Does that make sense? So we got the coffee grinder sweep, and we got the reverse on both sides. All right. So now moving on to the tutorial. Actually, I'm not here to teach you guys how to do it one step. I'm here to teach you guys some variations with it. So if you don't know how to do this already, make sure you guys refer to another one of our videos. And yeah. So for this coffee grinder variation combo, we're gonna be doing a sweep in every direction, all right? And what this is gonna do is it's gonna create kind of like a DJ, like turntable kind of feel, yeah? So we're gonna call this the turntable, okay? Check it out. Cool, turntable, guys. So within this turntable, like I said, with variations, you can change it up. Like, boom, 6-step, 6-step, 6-step. You guys see that? How I use the reverse of the 1-step to turn into a 6-step. Okay, so a lot of the times when I'm teaching in WeBreak, my students, I'm seeing you guys reset. Okay, so you'll do 1-step coffee grinder, and then from here, oh, okay, now I want a 6-step, and then you guys go down, push-up position, and put your hands and legs back. That's not what you want to do. Okay, in order to make your footwork look nice, it's got to flow. Okay, so with this turntable, we're going 1, and then 2, and using that reverse coffee grinder, you're gonna complete the 6-step in the opposite direction. Okay, let me go slow. Check it out. Regular 1-step, hook, reverse, 6-step. You guys see that? So when I did that reverse, that momentum, I'm continuing that circle. Got it? Yeah? So let me go through the whole thing, guys, and you guys will be on the way. Here. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Turntable, 1-step variations. Have fun with it, guys. Practice, and I'll see you guys soon. Let's go.